It's like almost 7:15.
One.
And they rolling tight.
Here one.
Oh,
There they go.
Here they go now. They playing
go.
now. They playing now. Get on up there a little bit, cause they roll too low. They gonna bump.
Yeah.
I got to get them to go up a little bit.
Oh, there they go. They go that fire now.
Oh,
Look. You see it?
they starting to roll.
Oh, I see it.
They starting to flip. Oh, you see that white one? I told you they get to flipping. I want them to do some tight rolling though, enough flipping. They up there having fun. They just playing right now. Ooh, look at that. Now I need them to do it together though.
Yeah. Oh, there they go.
There they go. They playing. They playing. Come on, give me a good break. Give me a good break. Give me a good break. I seen 7 go. I need all 11 to go. Birds got lost for 10 minutes. Only got a minute and 20-something footage for you. And that's all, folks. The chunky way.